Welcome back to Dalren Models. In this video I'm going to be unboxing the Hasegawa Lancia 037 rally car from the 1984 Tour de Corse Rally. I'm doing this build for a group build on my Road and Tracking Scale Facebook group that I co-admin. So if you're on Facebook, feel free to come along and join the group, and if it's at the right time you might be able to join in with this group build or another future group build, because we do generally run them periodically. So anyway, onto the kit. So there's a bag with various screws in there, which is the main parts, and then another one with the clear parts and the decals, main body and bonnet in there. I say bonnet, I think it's rear end in this car, and then tied in the bag, and then the instructions. So I'll start going through it. I'll move that out of the way for now. So start off opening the bags and having a look. So to start with, let's have a look at some of the moulded details. So you can see there it's got the grille there. That's moulded in, and like I said, this is an out of the box build for this group build, so there's no extras that I'm allowed to put in it. You can get photo etch, which would be nice to do that, and I might do that on a future build, but overall it's looking good. There's no flash that I can see, no mould lines or anything. There is some sink marks in there though that are going to need to be filled, and it's not a particularly easy place to get at in sand, but you can see there's a line, if I get it in the light, all the way along there, and another one there, and then you've got in each four corner these holes as well that are going to need some work. So I have to work out what I'm going to do with that. So I'll move on to that one in a minute. So again, the main bag of bits. If I don't get the plastic caught up in it. There's a little metal bar there, which I believe is for the aerial, and then some rubber padding, which I think is for mud guards, mud flaps. So onto the next lot of sprues. So seats are nicely moulded. There's a little bit of flash on that one there, but that's not a lot of work to clean that out. All the parts are nicely moulded, as you can see though. Got nice lettering and bolt head detail in there. That's part of the roll cage. Again, a little bit of cleanup is going to be needed, but not much at all. And the dash and the interior tub. So that's looking quite nice. Let's have a look at that. That's, I'm assuming, the exhaust, or the tip of the exhaust there. So that's that sprue. And then we've got this one that's got, I'm assuming, like the side of the engine or something. We'll find out in the instructions. Side pods there, radiator with a fan, suspension parts, more suspension parts, brake discs there, wheel arches. Again, nothing really to complain about on there, just the odd little bit of flash on pieces here and there, but again, not anything that's an issue. Lots of parts for the lights there, a few more suspension parts, and the wheels, which look nicely moulded, and they've got a bit of texture to them as well, which I think is accurate to how the real car is. I don't think it's a shiny finish on them. It's got tyre valve moulded in there as well, if you can See that on that side. So at least I can paint those and not have to worry about not having them or not being able to fit aftermarket parts or anything. So there's the rear vent for the engine where the lights would be, and again you can get photo etched pieces for that, which won't be going on this build, so I'll have to do some careful painting on that and see how I'm gonna approach it. Underplate for this main chassis part and rear bumper, I'm guessing. More mesh parts. So got to be careful doing these mesh, because some of those look quite small holes, so I don't want to end up flooding them with paint and losing any of the detail. So got to be careful with that. And some interior bits, more engine bits. Your steering wheel there. Again, got some nice detail in it. Engine parts and things. Assuming that's a gator for the gear stick, handbrake and stuff, and then various other bits and pieces. All in all, it's looking quite a nice setup. Let's have a look what the tyres are like. I need to take one out. I've seen better tyres, but they probably clean up okay. And then there's the usual seam line down the middle, which will clean up okay, but the rubber seems decent enough. I don't think there'll be any issues there. So I won't open them all, I'll assume that they're all the same. And then let's have a look at this one. I think there's just a bit of dirt on that one. You'll have to have a look at, but not the clearest of parts, but I think it's an oldish kit now. So kind of what you'd expect. Not sure what that piece is, probably the rear engine cover or something. So yeah, they're not too bad, but I like the moulded side window parts. They look quite good. I have to mask those off and paint those. But yeah, they look quite good, quite nice. So decals, what we've got? We've got the tyre decals here, yellow and white options. And then a sheet of normal decals, and I'm hoping these are actually going to be okay, because like I said, second-hand kit, but it's been in a sealed bag, so I'm hoping that means that there's no damage to them. So I mean, they look okay from what I can see. Not overly happy about these. I don't particularly like the seat belts with decals, but on this kit I don't have a lot of choice. So there you go. Let's have a look through the instructions now. That's all the parts done. So opens up into a massive sheet. So what have we got? We've got the interior tub first, and then the dash. And then moving on to start the gearbox, and then the assembly of the engine, moving on to the suspension, and then bringing all of that together, and then starting on the bodywork. So it's only 13 steps, it's not a overly complicated build. Most of the complications are going to come in the decals, which are there. So there you go, that's what I'm going to be doing next. So keep watching, keep the eye on my channel, and build series on this one will start soon. So there you go, thank you for watching, I hope you enjoyed it, and I shall see you next time.